Anthropic ships Claude Code. OpenAI ships Copilot. Every major lab already has a coding agent. So why would Andrew Ng's team build OpenCoworker from scratch and open source every line of it? Because none of those tools let you swap the model, own your data, and run the whole thing offline. OpenCoworker does all three. OpenCoworker is a desktop AI agent that lives on your computer. You can chat with it, hand it your files, ask it to research topics, and it produces real deliverables, PDFs, spreadsheets, reports. It speaks the model context protocol, supports scheduled automations, and has no back-end server. Your keys and files never leave your machine. The entire system is built in 3 layers. At the top sits OpenCoworker, the desktop harness. Below it is the aisuite Agents API with toolkits and MCP support. And at the base, the Chat Completions API gives you one uniform interface across every major provider. Change one string to switch from GPT to Claude to Gemini. The Chat Completions API uses a colon-separated model identifier, open.i:GPT40, Anthropic :Claude Sonnet 4-6, Ollama Llama 3. The client routes the call to the right SDK automatically. Temperature, max tokens, tools, all the parameters work the same way regardless of which provider you pick. To give a model real tools, you pass plain Python functions. aisuite reads the signature and docstring, generates the JSON schema, runs the tool, calls the model requests, and loops until the model stops calling tools or max_turns is reached. The full tool interaction history is available in intermediate messages, so you can continue the conversation. The heart of OpenCoworker is the TurnEngine. It's fully async. The provider's blocking stream runs in a worker thread, pushing text deltas to an async EOQ so the UI stays live. Each user turn spawns an iteration loop. The engine streams assistant text, collects tool calls, handles approvals out of band, executes tools, feeds results back, and loops until done. When the model requests multiple tools in one turn, OpenCoworker splits them by risk. Low-risk tools, reads, web searches, Git queries, get a risk level low annotation and run concurrently with async IO gather. Write operations and shell commands stay strictly sequential. This keeps file system state safe while still parallelizing safe work. Every tool call passes through the permission engine before it runs. There are 5 modes. Discuss for read-only conversation. Plan for read-only exploration with a proposal workflow. Interactive, which asks for approval on writes and shell. Custom, which auto-approves configured tools. And auto, which grants full access. The mode can flip mid-session when a plan is approved. When a tool requires user approval, the engine pauses and emits a permission_required event. The Surface GUI, or terminal, shows the user the tool name, arguments, and reason. The user can approve once, approve always for that tool, approve always for that shell command, or deny. The outcome updates the session allow list, so the same tool doesn't ask twice. OpenCoworker ships 4 built-in agent types. The code agent is Git-centric and can fan research out to read-only Explorer subagents. The Cowork agent is outcome-oriented for general knowledge work. Memos, analysis, scripts. Chat is a lightweight conversational agent. MyHelper is the always-on inbound agent that handles Slack and Telegram messages while you're away. The memory system gives agents persistent facts across sessions. Memories have 2 scopes: global facts that apply everywhere, and workspace-scoped facts tied to a specific project folder. Storage is SQLite. At session start, all relevant memories are injected into the system prompt. The agent can call remember, memory update, and memory forget to manage its own knowledge. Skills are reusable capability packages. Each skill is a folder with a skill.md file containing YAML front matter, name, description, optional allowed tools, plus a markdown body of instructions and scripts. At session start, only the catalog, names and descriptions, gets injected. The full body loads on demand when the agent calls load_skill. This keeps the context window lean. Connectors wire OpenCoworker to messaging platforms. A platform adapter connects to Slack, email, or Telegram, and dispatches inbound messages through the gateway to an agent session. Outbound replies flow back the same way. Each message carries a session source with platform, chat ID, and thread ID. The MyHelper agent uses these to be an always-on assistant, even when you're offline. OpenCoworker speaks the model context protocol natively. In the GUI, you add MCP servers the same way you'd configure Claude Desktop or Cursor, the same JSON format. Tools from MCP servers carry their own schema and metadata through the tool registry. You get per-tool approval controls and can mix MCP tools with built-in tools in the same agent session. Ask OpenCoworker to repeat a task, and it schedules it. The scheduler runs a 30-second tick loop, checks for due tasks, and fires them, but only if the previous run has finished, preventing overlap. On server startup, missed runs catch up once, then resume on schedule. You can ask in plain English. Every weekday at 7 a.m., search for news and write a brief to my briefings folder. The desktop app is a Towery shell, a Rust-based native wrapper around a web front-end built in React and TypeScript. The backend is a Python FastAPI server bundled by PyInstaller. The GUI talks to the Python server over a local HTTP API. This split means the AI logic stays in Python while the UI stays native and fast. On macOS, the whole thing ships as a signed DMG. What do you actually use OpenCoworker for? Grant it access to a folder of vendor proposals and ask for a comparison spreadsheet, pricing, terms, red flags. Point it at your receipts folder and get a monthly expense report. Ask it to organize a messy project folder by type and project. Or set up the daily news brief automation that runs every morning before you open your laptop. Both OpenCoworker and Claude Code are desktop AI agents with file access and tool use, but they're built for different jobs. Claude Code is purpose-built for software engineering. It excels at code understanding, Git workflows, and test-driven development. OpenCoworker is a general knowledge work coworker. It can handle any file type, any task, with any model you choose. The real difference is scope and model flexibility. This is the part that matters for a lot of teams. OpenCoworker has no backend. There is no OpenCoworker server. API calls go from your machine directly to the provider you configured. Your conversations live in a local SQLite database. Your files are never uploaded anywhere. You bring your own key, the key goes to the provider, and that's the only hop your data makes. OpenCoworker is a full agent harness in the open, 3-layer AI suite stack, async TurnEngine, 5 permission modes, persistent memory, a skills catalog, messaging connectors, and a scheduler. It's built to be extended. Swap the model, add a connector, write a skill. The source is all there in the platform folder. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. More agent internals every week.